Assalamu alaikum dear students. So today we are going to learn about the LCM, lowest common multiples. So students, previously we have seen that what is meant by multiple, what is meant by factors, what is meant by HCF and what is meant by LCM. Now students, here we are going to learn about the lowest common multiples. So we will take the quick revision about the lowest common multiple, and then we are going to solve our word problem given on the lowest common multiples. Now students, let's move towards our topic. So in order to find out the lowest common multiples, you will have to find out the multiples of given particular number. Okay, so here two numbers are given to you, that is 20 and 25, and you will have to find out the lowest common multiple of 20 and 25. So what we will do, first take out multiples of both numbers, that is 20 and 25. So let's write down multiples of 20. So the numbers which are completely divisible by 20. So 20 is completely divisible by 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 and so on. Means all these numbers are completely divisible by 20. Now let's move towards the next number, that is 25. Multiples of 25 are 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175 and 200. Common multiples of 20 and 25 are, here you can see that 100 is common in both the case and 200 is also common, but lowest is 100. So we can say that lowest common multiple of 20 and 25 is 100. Okay, now let's solve our next problem, which are based on lowest common multiple. So here is a list of the problems. Solve the following problems. So there are 5 problems, so we will solve all these problems one by one. Okay, now the first problem, this one. On the playground, if the children are made to stand for drill, either 20 to a row or 25 to a row, all rows are complete and no child is left out. Okay, means remainder is 0. What is the lowest possible number of children in that school? You will have to find out the lowest possible number of children. Okay, so let's find out here. So first of all, we will have to find out the multiples of 20. Okay, because the row is of 20 and 25. So the multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and so on. And the multiples of 25, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125 and so on. Now the common multiples are 100 and 200. So the lowest one is 100. So thus the lowest of possible number of children in that school are 100. Okay, so students, I hope you will got my point easily. I hope you will understand easily. Now the next one, here the next problem. Veena want to make necklaces with an equal number of beads. In each such there is no bead left over. Means she want to make a necklace and no bead left over with her. Okay, so the number of beads with her must be in multiples of 16, 24 and 40. Therefore the least number of the beads with her is the LCM of 16, 24 and 40. So the multiples of 16 you will have to find out, multiples of 24 and multiples of 40. So the multiples of 16 are 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128 and so on. Here multiples of 24, 24, 48, 72, 96 and so on. Multiples of 40, 40, 80, 120, 160, 200 and so on. So students, here some common multiples are 240 and 480. Now the least number of bits with Veena, least common multiple 240. So thus the least number of bits with Veena are 240. So here we have completed this. Here we have completed this chapter. Okay. So here is the homework. So problem number 4 and problem number 5 are your homework from the exercise, okay, from your textbook given on LCM. Students, I hope you will got today's topic. Inshallah, in the next video we will start our second part. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.